Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Yonon. If you are new in my channel, then don't forget to click on the subscribe button over there. Page not available, your IT admin has limited access to same area of this app. It's again a very common problem that comes while opening Windows security on Windows 10 and 11. So if you have the same problem like me, then apply the 3 simple steps and the problem will be fixed. So first you have to click on your Windows search. Now type here Windows security and just right click on the Windows security and choose app setting. Now here you will find the option of terminate. Just click on it once, then below you will find the reset option. Click on reset. Once you have done this, you have to close the window. Now you have to make sure that you are not using any other kind of third party of security. So what you can do, just click on the system track icon and the right hand corner, and if there is any kind of third party antivirus like malware, McAfee, average, anything is running, then you will have to disable them. Then click on your Windows search bar again, just type here registry. Now right click on the registry editor and then click run as administrator. Click on yes. The registry editor will be open. Now here from the left and the menu option, you will have to click on HK local machine. Then look for software. Now double click on it. In the software you have to look for policies. So here it is. So double click on policies. Then you will find Microsoft. Click on it and in the Microsoft you will find Windows Defender. Make a right click on it and choose delete. Now you can close the window. After that, in the final step, click on your Windows search, type here GP edit. You will be getting edit group policy. Click on it. The group policy editor will be open. Now in case if you get any kind of error message while opening the group policy, then probably you will are using Windows 10 or 11 home edition. So from the group policy editor under computer configuration, you will have to click on administrative template. Then you have to look for Windows component. Just double click on it and then you have to look for Windows security. So scroll down and the bottom you will find the Windows security. Just double click on it. Then you will find virus and threat protection. Just double click on it and here you will find hide the virus and threat protection area. Double click on it again. This will bring up another box. Now here it is selected enable or disable. Then you have to choose here not configured. Once it is selected, just click apply, then OK. Now close the window. Here you have to click on search bar again, then type here CMD. Now here the suggestion, you have to right click on command prompt, then click run as administrator. Now click on OK. Now here the command window, you will type a command which is gp update space /force. So once you type that, just hit the enter button on your keyboard. Now it will update the policy which is on we have been just changed. So once it is complete, you have to restart your Windows and it will be fixed. So let me check that my problem is fixed or not. So here you can see my problem is fixed now and the virus protection is probably work. So I hope this video will help for you. If it is, then don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button over here. If you have any type of question, then contact with me or comment on the comment section. I will reply you. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.